Alright guys, so welcome to another one here. So had some rain move in today, and so got rained out of work about noon today. So rather than sitting at home, I decided to bring the boat out here and give myself a good half day of fishing. Fished in the rain all day here. And I did bring some stuff to cook something up for you guys. I know you guys mentioned you liked that last cooking video, so we'll do a little cooking here with these crappie this evening. So I planned on filming all the catching, but it literally just stopped raining about 10 minutes ago, and it's been raining since I got out here. So you know, it's gonna get dark here if I don't get this shot quick. So anyway, this will just be a clean and cook. But anyway, just out here doing some crappie fishing this afternoon. You can see there's the rest of my limit in the live well, and then there's three nice fish. So there's three nice fish I'm gonna cook up for supper tonight. So you know, real simple stuff here. Everything I bring out is super easy. I just keep it right there in that little cooler. A lot of the ingredients just stay in there, you know, spices and whatnot. So anyway, I'll get you guys set up on a tripod here, and then we'll clean these fish up, and we'll have some fish taco tortillas. It's gonna be good, guys. All right guys, so clean one of these crappie up here for you. So this is just my cutting board that I use whenever I catfish. It's just mounted on a ram mount on the rail of my boat, but it works great whenever you're doing the cooking in the boat here. So as always, just come right behind the fin there on the fish. We'll just work him right down the back, flip him over, remove the skin, and then come in at an angle, pull them rib bones out. Real easy. You're left with a nice piece of fish there. Flip them over, do the other side. Run that knife right down the backbone. Set that aside. Take our ribs out, and there we go. There's another nice piece of fish. So I'll do these other two off camera here. So now that the fish are cleaned, just throw in this dip net here. Just give them a nice rinsing off with the wash down pump. Wash down pump comes in real handy, cleaning up messes in the boat. But just give them fish a nice little wash down, and then we'll get to cooking. So we'll go ahead and get started here. We'll go ahead and turn our pan on. If any of you guys are wondering what this thing's sitting on, this is it's a ram mount that I've got bolted to a piece of aluminum, and what it allows me to do is, depending on if the boat's leaning or, you know, nothing's level on the water, I can just kind of move it around, just keep the ram mount loose, and then that way whenever you're frying stuff, you know, nothing's all running to one side or the other. So anyway, it's something real simple, but boy, it's helpful. So anyway, we'll get started here. Go ahead and we'll turn on our fire here. Tell you what, this little cook stove's nice. Get it just where we want it. Tighten up that ram mount, and you can see it's completely solid. So we're gonna cook the fish first. Throw a little butter in there. Let that get to melting. I've got some asparagus here. It's very similar to the last video, guys, but you know, I eat what the garden provides me. You know, grocery bill is not too high, so I eat a lot of this. I eat a lot of seasonal stuff. So you can see they got that butter get to cooking. It's melting real good. So we're going to season this with a little different seasoning here. Today I'm just going to season it right in the pan. We're going to fry this fish in the butter here. We're going to season it with got three different things here. I've got some garlic salt. I've got some black pepper, and then I've got some ground cumin. And if you guys have never cooked with this cumin before, it's real good. It's kind of it's very similar to what you'll see or taste in taco meat. So you know, it kind of goes hand in hand with what we're doing here. If you buy it, you'll smell it. You'll initially know exactly what that spice is. So anyway, let our butter get all nice and warm here. and then we'll throw in that fish. All right, guys, so our butter's, oh yeah, it's nice and warm now. We'll throw that fish in there. We'll season it right there in the pan with quite a little bit of this cumin here. And then we'll give a nice dusting of the garlic salt. And then we'll throw some pepper on there too, because I really like pepper. Alright, so with fish, fish cooks real fast. It's translucent whenever you throw it in the skillet, and it'll turn white as it gets done. So as soon as this fish turns white, we'll flip it, and then I'm going to season both sides of this fish. Oh, it's looking good. Like I said, guys, these are real simple meals you can take, and I mean, it's a hell of a lot better than a ham sandwich, I'm telling you. And it's going to take, you know, no time to make this quick little meal. All right, give her a flip here. See, that fish is nice and white. I'm not at all worried about breaking this fish up, because I'm gonna break it up anyway whenever I put it on my tortilla. Just give it a little bit more dusting here of all our spices and ingredients. And it's gonna be done in no time, and then we'll do the asparagus real quick, and we'll eat that on the same tortilla. A little bit more seasoning there. There we have it. Oh, that smells good, guys. The heat feels good too. It is like, what is it today? I don't even know. It's damn near the middle of May. And it's cold. It's like 50 degrees right now. For May, I mean, it's chilly. I can see my breath anyways. All right, so our fish is pretty much done here. You can see it's all nice and white, well seasoned. We'll just take that. Put that on a plate there, and then we'll do this asparagus here right quick. A little bit more butter there. And we'll throw that asparagus and chives. It's the only thing I've got going right now. If I had more, I'd cook more, but with this real late spring, that's all the garden is producing. But that's fine, because that's all good. Give that a little salt and pepper as well. I can eat asparagus, this nice tender asparagus, man. I could eat it for every meal. No time at all, that's done. I like my asparagus a little firm. I don't like it all mushy. Just heat it up and it'd be great. Alright, so one last little thing here. I've got some flour tortillas here, and just because it's so cold, we'll just set those on the fire there and let them get all good and warmed up. Probably got enough for 2 big tortillas. And the simplicity of this, guys, is you can do this all with a knife, a cutting board, a pan, and a cooker. I mean, it doesn't take a lot. Let's kill the fire there. Let's build this sucker. Set that off to the side. Keep you guys in view here. Let's build this sucker. Alright, so let's take one of our oh, look at that steaming, it's so warm. Nice flour tortillas there. We'll take some of our fish. Throw a nice couple pieces of fish on there. About half of it. Yeah, that's gonna work out just right. About half of it. I've got some cheese here. If I can get the cheese open. Come on, Stu, you're not gonna get whooped by cheese. All right. I got some nice taco cheese here. Taco flavor, taco style, I don't know, something like that. It says taco on it. And then, rather than salsa, this is guacamole ranch salad dressing. It's pretty good. Just give it a little drizzle like that. Oh, that's gonna be so good, guys. That's gonna be so good. All right, set that aside. We'll build our second one here real quick. Take our nice warm tortilla. Look at that, got a nice crust on it. Done all this in what, 10 minutes, something like that? No time at all. Little cheese. Oh, I forgot lettuce. I had the lettuce here. I forgot the lettuce. We'll put the lettuce right on it. It's just a garden salad bag. Guys, these are perfect for the boat because you can just throw some salad dressing in here and you've got a salad in a bag. So you don't have to bring a bowl or anything else. Throw some lettuce on that one. Not worried about the first one. And a little of that guacamole salad dressing. Oh boy, that's gonna be good. Gonna be good. Oh, look at that, guys. Nice crunchy, crispy tortilla. You just can't get any better than that. All right, let's eat, guys. Doesn't that look good? All right, guys, so let's give this awesome meal here a taste test. Oh man, that's where it's at, guys. Cool day on the water like this. Nice crunchy tortilla. I'm telling you, that guacamole, what is this stuff? Guacamole ranch dressing. That is nice. Good burrito. Good burrito, this asparagus. Man, asparagus is awesome. Now right there is my favorite way to cook it. Right there. Fried in butter, simple as it gets. Just a little bit of seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic. Just awesome. Just awesome, guys. All right. Well, I'm not going to bore you guys with watching me eat any longer, but man, if you guys are out in the boat, this took all of maybe 15 minutes from cleaning the fish to done, and awesome meal, awesome meal. All right, guys, till next time, leave a like and comment if you don't mind. Let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. I'm gonna enjoy my meal.